Alright, look. My level go way up, way up. My time is money, better pay up. I don't ever sleep, I stay up. Nah, I can never care about a head up. Level way up, way up. High score, high score. I'm going up, I'm sure. That's a high score, high score. Level go way up. My time is money, better pay up. I don't ever sleep, I stay up. Nah, I can never care about a hate up. Level way up, way up. High score, high score. Going up in 5-4. Hold up. 3, 2, 1,
knockout. Knockout.
14 Bravo, take 3. Here we go. Action. Come in. Cut! Oh!
So tell us, how are you feeling right now?
Not good.
Why?
Because too much pain.
Pain?
Pain all night. Pain this morning.
Is it time? Is that what that means?
Maybe. I don't know. This girl has a mind of her own. Oh my goodness.
Okay, here we are at the new house. Okay, let's go in the front door. Let's see what they got going on here. It's the before, baby. You better hurry up. I know that. Let's go upstairs, shall we? A lot of windows. It's the master bedroom right here. But look at this closet. Wait till y'all see this closet though. Whoo! Look at that. Can you see that? Hold on. Crazy. Laundry room. Room. Look at that hallway. Nice and spacious. Loft area right there. Down to the basement, shall we? This is gonna be where all the magic happen right here. When this baby done.
It is baby time.
Baby time, what that mean?
Means that we're about to meet our daughter.
That's what she thinks of this whole COVID thing. She's pooping all over it. All right, are you a cord cutter?
Oh, yes. Yes, I am.
Okay, cut right there, okay? Remember, it's a little bit, it's harder than you
Right
think.
here?
Yep. And I'll put my hand right on straight. You're doing great. Good.
Yeah.
Take those.
All
Bring
right.
her, weigh her, and she will get back to you, okay?
Oh, good job, baby. Our baby is here.
You can go over and take pictures, just kind of. That's surprisingly positive. I mean, my patients today have called in and had positive.
What are you doing?
She's so strong.
That was hard work, huh? You get squished.
Daddy's pre-workout.
Oh, hi, little baby. Hi. Whoa.
How you feel, Mom?
Hey, good job. She's beautiful.
Welcome.
Yes. 15 minutes for the first hour. Okay. She's like, okay, maybe.
What?
Sorry.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, bless you.
So, my wife, she has this voice thing that she does. So cute. She's the cutest, huh? Sound like she should be on PBS, right? She might be the next Teletubby. Y'all better watch out.
Gosh.
Hey, she coming for y'all head.
Daddy, I'm a hater. Oh, that's what my baby hurts. Oh, yes, her is. Hi. Say hi. I'm Anaya. And I want to eat the world. Little does Daddy know he has a voice too. He just won't admit it. Because I've heard it.
Nah,
Yes, you do. I've heard
she's
it.
capping.
I've heard it. I was like, oh, okay. Daddy has a voice.
I have a voice, but not no PBS voice.
Yeah, it was pretty PBS.
She's ready.
Someone's going home today.
Here it is. Here we are.
You do this for the money, I do this for my family. I got an ocean view, my window's panoramic. Can't get too close to you, one day I'll have to choose. I had to make a move, in my head I played it through. You do this for the money, I do this for my family. I got an ocean view, my window's panoramic. Can't get too close to you, one day I'll have to choose. I had to make a move, in my head I played it through. Can't get too comfortable, cause they gon' switch up. They nights was on the road, homie he gon' keep it tough. My mom said keep it up, she know I'm doing well. I put Versace on my body just so you can tell. Call from jail, what the hell? You're my homie, I'll take the fall. Come to visit, but it ain't so long. Put my shawty in some Saint Laurent, then I told her you can move on. You don't have to wait, cause if you do, you taking half the weight. Homie hunger gave him half the plate. Rainy day, fun stashed away. Yeah, yeah, you got an open case. You better know your place. In the sign with a stolen place, yeah. Young drug dealer, they gonna know my face, yeah. I remember when they hate. I'm sorry, but I can't relate, yeah, yeah. Been a while since you saw me. Now I'm dripping like the sun, yeah. That's why your bitch tryna call me. Can't ride my way, tsunami. Was posted in the lobby. Being I'm like a zombie. Tryna mad, I know they watching. Tryna be my carbon copy, yeah. Don't you at me? Half these rappers are better at acting. This got me driven in fashion. I got a job on your Addy. Hit the lick, drive away laughing. You do this for the money, I do this for my family. I got an ocean view, my window's panoramic. Can't get too close to you, one day I'll have to choose. I had to make a move, in my head I played it through. You do this for the money, I do this for my family. I got an ocean view, my window's panoramic.